Hey Siri, play 100 Degrees Under.
Now playing 100 Degrees Under.
Rage on that beat, gon' pray.
So I've got a few DJ gigs coming up at a few parties and pubs around where I live, and I'm looking at rebuilding a few old speakers that I have. So as you can see, all of the speakers that I use are passive speakers. However, they've been made from chipboard and have probably been exposed to moisture at some stage, plus they are just getting old, so they're starting to fall apart. However, the plan is to build 2 new speakers out of MDF by combining these speakers and 2 subwoofers together. I also want to make the speakers with 2 separate compartments, the top one being a sealed compartment for these speakers and the bottom one being a ported compartment for the subwoofers, just so air can still flow in and out of these compartments without affecting the sound that the top speakers make. So anyway, without anything further to do, I shall start tearing these down and building 2 new speakers. So let's start.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
So I actually finished building these speakers about 2 months ago, and I've already used them in a range of different DJ gigs, which I'll show you footage from at the end of this video. However, I'm really happy with how they turned out, as they are able to produce a really clear noise without any clipping or distortion, even after being played for 10 hours straight at some gigs on pretty much full volume. As for the technical side, all of the speakers used in this video are 100 watts each at 8 ohms. Now I also take these other black speakers with me to gigs to make a total of 6 speakers. As for the amplifiers, I use 2. The first one being a 2-channel powered amplifier, which I'll have the link to in the description below. Basically, this is able to provide 750 watts per channel at 8 ohms or 1000 watts per channel at 4 ohms. So what I usually do is run 2 speakers to each channel in parallel, therefore allowing the amplifier to power each channel with 1000 watts at 4 ohms. Now I also use this cheap car amplifier to power these 2 top speakers with 100 watts at 8 ohms per channel. This also allows me to have a backup amplifier in case one of them dies midway through a gig, so I'm still able to play 4 out of the 6 speakers. Anyway guys, that is all I have for this video, so if you did enjoy it, please be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, do whatever you do on YouTube, and thanks for watching.